Hi, my name's Elizabeth and I'm your work comp claims liaison here at Paradiso. I hope you'll never have to contact me, but I do have this role for a reason. My job is to ensure that the claims process is as smooth as possible. Some bumps and bruises may be cared for with a medical kit so that the driver doesn't have to stop their job to seek treatment. There are also those instances where drivers believe that their injury is severe, but then call the nurse triage line and receive some consolation from a nice nurse, which happens to be the alleviation that they're looking for, and they forget what was even hurting to begin with. It's important to have first aid kits in every operating truck and to be performing regular tasks to ensure that you have enough products that are not expired or used. This is the particular kit that we're going to be talking about today, which was picked up from our local CVS by the office, but Brian and I have also found nice safety kits from ussafetykits.com that have deals when purchasing multiples. You can find that link below in the description. Let's get into some items you may want to consider keeping in your medical kits. You'll want to have some sort of sanitizer included in your kit so that your employees can disinfect their hands before treating their wound. Next, bacitracin. Neosporin, or another antibiotic ointment that includes bacitracin, can be used to prevent minor skin injuries from becoming infected since it helps stop the growth of certain bacteria. Next up, Benadryl. Your drivers likely spend a lot of time outside and throughout their day. If someone were to get stung by a bee or get caught in some poison ivy, some sort of diphenhydramine ointment is handy to reduce itchiness and skin irritation. Now, I'm sure being in this industry, the word sprain is nothing new to you. Well, by keeping some form of ibuprofen in your truck, your employees can have a full access to it whenever they sustain a minor sprain, and it will bring down the swelling and help manage their pain. Please note that this kit includes Tylenol, which is an acetaminophen, a drug that helps aches and pain but is not effective for inflammation. Advil and Motrin may be better suited for your truck kits. Along with the anti-inflammatory painkillers, a cold compress can be used to reduce inflammation, whether that be from a sprain, a burn, or an insect bite. Now, the first item you think of when you think of a medical kit is likely a Band-Aid. The kit that we have here today includes a variety of sizes and styles, including some water-resistant, useful depending on where the cut is on your employee's body. These are butterfly closures. Other than your standard Band-Aid, butterfly bandages may be appropriate to keep in your kits, like the ones I have here. These closures help to close minor lacerations while they heal and can help prevent bacteria from entering the wound. The last item we're going to be talking about is gauze. If there happens to be excessive blood loss, gauze can be used to protect a wound and keep the bleeding at bay, so that your driver can calmly get to an urgent care. Gauze could also be used to apply topical medications such as the bacitracin ointment that we talked about earlier. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I look forward to creating more safety segments for you in the future. Please reach out to me if you have any ideas you would like me to touch on, or if you have any questions about a certain injury or claim. Stay healthy, take care, and I will see you next time.